full sprint.
All right, so it's...
Like running at a 45-degree angle.
Okay. After about a 60, when you run 60 feet, you see it for the first time, and you can see it's filling up the entire interior, this tentacled giant frog monster. There's an odd sort of bulge in it, and a staff kind of sticking out of one corner of its mouth. And you can see Strix's hand on the staff, sticking out of its toothy mouth.
Great. Just in case she hadn't heard, I'll scream for beetling.
Okay.
And then engage the frog.
All right.
So I could see what it was clearly like a Strix bulge, so I know where not to stab.
Right. Yes.
Okay. Good. I hate this trick.
Go ahead. Stabby, stabby.
All right. 17?
Hit.
Okay.
He's thinking it takes up the whole thing. Yeah, just literally point something at the end of the log.
Good try.
Okay.
I did.
Does my ally within 5 feet have to be conscious for us to risk?
Yes.
Yeah.
Conscious.
You said 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I guess it's more like kind of hacking away at the tentacle. Trying to
Yeah. Okay. But it
find an opening to retrieve Strix.
takes all of that damage. And next up is Halton, who will sort of saunter up behind Dieth. And then he'll pull out his mandolin.
The fucking camera.
He will start playing it. And he turns invisible.
What?
Sounds about right.
All right. Simon sort of follows up behind him and tries to shoot this big creature with a dart from its mouth. He hits it
Good boy, Simon.
for a whopping 1 point of damage.
Got him.
And the frog human has
Does
to
it
make
go
a
to
saving
sleep?
throw versus poison. Let's see. It makes it save and suffers no other ill effect.
Dang it.
All right, and then it is Dragonbait's turn. Dragonbait will run over to it. Next to you, Dieth, since you guys can fight side by side.
Come on, Dragonbait. I know you've pulled a lot of other people out of other things before.
He, what does he smell like? Let's see. He smells like violence, currently. As, well, he has a choice. He can either hit him with his sword or he can try to pull Strix free. I think he's going to try to pull Strix free.
What a guy.
See, I was fighting off the tentacles so he could get in there.
Yeah. All right, so he has to make a strength check. All right. He grabs Strix by her hand and wrist and puts his reptilian feet up against this thing and tugs and tugs and tugs. And he is unable in this round to pull Strix out of its maw.
Oh no.
Wait, you just did... Would that be a saving throw?
That's a strength athletics check made to break a grapple.
I really wanted it to be...
Yeah. All right, and so we come to Evelyn, who is outside the log and can't really hear what's going on with the sound of the roaring river and the sound of the
Alright, so I hear this commotion inside.
You hear nothing. You hear nothing inside.
Oh, I don't hear anything.
No.
I screamed for her.
You heard Strix scream. And that was it.
Dang it, because I have such a cool thing that I could do if I knew what was happening, but if I don't know what's happening, I definitely wouldn't do it.